A lot of people I speak to out there really worry about job insecurity, and I get it. There's really no such thing as permanent full-time jobs anymore. You know, a lot of times we work for people, we're just a number. And at the end of the day, when things go bad or the economy's turn and the markets crash and things like that, basically what happens is the first thing that companies do is they'll cut numbers and they'll decrease staff and they'll lay people off. And I know at the time of shooting this, I think it's around 2020, and we've got the coronavirus thing happening right here in Australia, and it's pretty devastating for a lot of families and a lot of people. And here's what happens when financial crashes happen, when world events happen. People get caught out and get stuck because they haven't done well with their money. And the way to overcome job security and looking after your family and keeping yourself safe is by building what's called a cash cushion, a cash buffer. Now, I didn't understand this because I remember 20 years ago when I used to work on construction sites, I used to make big money. The more money I earned, the more money I spent. The more money I earned, the more money I blew. The more money I earned, the more money I gambled. And that was my biggest downfall. And then the minute I was laid off or a job finished or I was put out of work, I really went into panic mode and I really freaked because I didn't understand the concept of just saving a portion of my money and building it over here and putting it into a cash cushion. So I don't know whether you're in work or whether you're out of work when you're watching this video. If you're in work, make it a priority. Set aside money, put it into a separate account and build yourself a cash cushion, a cash buffer. If you're unfortunate enough to have lost a job, next time you get back into work, folks, make it a priority, build a cash cushion because that little cushion will be the thing that really settles you and keeps you calm and gets you through a financial crisis.